Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making radish salad. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check out my other channel, I game and stuff. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to take half a pound of red radishes, trim off the ends, and then cut them into quarters and put them in a bowl, like a small bowl to the side. Now in a small saucepan, you're going to mix together 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 3/4 cups of white wine vinegar, and a half a cup of water. You're going to mix that together, then bring to a boil over medium-high heat, and then you're going to pour that vinegar mixture over top of your quartered radishes. And you're going to let that cool for about an hour, and then you're going to put it into the fridge to chill. Now you're going to take the other half pound of red radishes and you're going to thinly slice them, and also put them into a bowl off to the side. And then along with those rest of the red radishes, you're going to take 8 ounces of French breakfast radishes. You're going to trim them, and depending on their size, you're either going to quarter them or half them. Now into the bowl with your freshly cut radishes, you're going to use a fork or salted spoon to take out your pickled radishes and put them into the bowl. And then in a medium bowl, you're going to mix together a 1/4 cup of the pickling liquid, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of honey, freshly ground black pepper, and then you're going to mix that all together, and then as you're vigorously whisking, you're going to slowly add in a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then you're going to tear up a 1/3 cup of dill and mix in as well. And then when you serve, you're going to also put on some fresh dill on top to garnish. This was pretty good. It tasted like radishes. Shocker, I know. But I mean, I like radishes. I would make this again. It was funny, I had the leftovers, but because they were in with the vinaigrette, it just kind of turned all of the radishes into pickled radishes, which was still good. Also would do again. I don't know, I'll give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Subject to change to maybe a 9.